Unveiling the Truth. The Meaning of Blatant Lie. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting English phrase, blatant lie. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such expressions can be both fun and challenging. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how it can enrich your English vocabulary. Stay tuned. A blatant lie is a lie that is very obvious and done without shame. It's not just a simple untruth, but one that is told with complete disregard for honesty, often easily disprovable. The word blatant suggests that the lie is not just clear, but also brazen and bold. Interestingly, blatant comes from the 16th century, originally meaning boisterous or clamorous. Over time, it evolved to describe something done openly and without any attempt to hide it. When we add lie to blatant, we're talking about a deception that's not just transparent, but also audacious. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase. Here are some examples. The politician's promise turned out to be a blatant lie, as none of the changes he pledged came to pass. She told a blatant lie about her qualifications during the job interview. Using blatant lie correctly in a sentence will not only enhance your speaking skills but also help you convey your thoughts more effectively. Recognizing a blatant lie can be straightforward because it often lacks evidence or is contradicted by facts. Being able to identify such falsehoods is a critical thinking skill that can serve you well in various aspects of life, from news consumption to personal relationships. And that's all for today's lesson on the phrase, blatant lie. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new term you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.